John and Maria did everything together. They drove to work together, they worked together, they drove home together, they ate dinner together, then they slept in separate rooms. It started with his loud snoring. Then came the silences. He stopped breathing, sometimes for a minute. She did not choose the guest room. She was forced into it. 10 years. Then John finally got tested in his own bed. One night, severe sleep apnea. He started CPAP, the snoring stopped, the gasping stopped, the silences stopped. Maria came back. Sharing a bed was never only about sex. It's the last hour of the day when two people are still awake together. It is where you say the things you did not say at dinner. 22 years married. She told me they talk now before they fall asleep. Sleeping apart was never the fix. The fix was one night of home sleep testing and CPAP treatment. Now, working together, sleeping together, living together. Sleeping separate is not the solution. CPAP is. Get tested, get treated. Sleep, serve, love, laugh.